Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my income report with you. In the last month, I made over $10,000 and I wanted to share with you how I did it. I'm hoping that my experience can inspire and motivate you to achieve your financial goals. So, let's get started. Income sources. First, let me break down where my income came from in the last month. I made money from multiple sources, including YouTube AdSense, $4,500. Affiliate marketing, $2,500. Sponsored content, $1,500. Freelance writing, $1,000. Consulting, $500. I'll go into more detail about each of these sources and how I made money from them. YouTube AdSense. My YouTube channel has been growing steadily over the last year, and I've been able to monetize it through AdSense. In the last month, I earned $4,500 from YouTube ads alone. This income source has been consistent and has allowed me to create more content for my audience. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another source of income for me. I promote products and services that I believe in and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through my unique link. In the last month, I made $2,500 from affiliate marketing. I recommend choosing products and services that align with your niche and provide value to your audience. Sponsored content. I also worked with brands to create sponsored content in the last month. This involves partnering with a company to create content that promotes their products or services. In the last month, I made $1,500 from sponsored content. I recommend being selective with the brands you work with and ensuring that their products or services align with your values and interests. Freelance writing. In addition to my YouTube channel, I also do freelance writing on the side. I made $1,000 in the last month by writing articles for different websites and blogs. If you have writing skills, this can be a great way to earn extra income. Consulting. Lastly, I did some consulting work in the last month, which brought in $500. This involved helping a small business with their marketing strategy. Consulting can be a great way to use your expertise to help others and make money in the process. Lessons learned. Overall, I'm really happy with my income for the last month. It's taken me a while to get to this point, but I've learned a lot along the way. Here are some of the lessons I've learned. Diversify your income streams. Having multiple sources of income has been key to my success. If one source of income dries up, I have others to fall back on. Be patient. Building a successful business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Focus on providing value. Whether it's through YouTube, writing, or consulting, focus on providing value to your audience or clients. This will lead to long-term success. Conclusion. So, there you have it, my income report for the last month. I hope that this has been helpful and inspiring for you. Remember, it's possible to make a good income doing something you love. Keep working hard and providing value, and the rest will follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.